Ayan, pauwi na kami. Ito yung dagat. Goodbye na sa karagatan ng Damao. Ito na yung daan palikod. Ito yung villa namin. Nagsisigarilyo pa sila. Pauwi na kami mga katropa beats. Kalachuchi. Dalawang car. Marabing init. Ayan, 310 yung amin. Sunrise Villa. Ere na yung buhangin, oh. Buhangin at tubig dagat. Ayan. Buhangin, tubig dagat. Ayan. Ayan. Palm trees. Ayan yung aming room. 309. Kaya pala umaapir ang wifi sa 309. Yan yung mga cleaners. Parang subdivision lang. Grabing init dito. Sasabog ang cellphone. Pasok na nga ako. Naku, patay ang ano ni Madam Iman. Hindi inilak. Ayan. Hello, Baydana Resort.
Just be honest, I've been in my bed. Reinforce my walls with all these hypotheticals. When it comes to you, no one really compares. But I'm scared and I'm nervous. I don't wanna get hurt anymore. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Finishing races and never begin. I don't want nobody else. You know that you're fine as hell. I get ahead of myself. Keep on telling myself, don't rush, it's a little crush. Don't need to worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, it's a little crush. Just let go, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, crush, don't worry about it, don't need to figure it out. Don't rush, crush, just let go. Taking it to clear my doubts. Cleared out all the clutter, I'm no longer seeing clouds. Yeah, you deserve much better. You deserve much better. And I deserve a chance at new love. it's a little crush.
Gabi na pa naman. Alas 7 na. Ako'y iihi, Diyos ko. Kahirap ang babae pag iihi ah. Ayan mga katropapit, sa aming pagbalik ng Riyadh, eh ihing-ihi ng mga madam. Eh ako din naman ihing-ihi na, kaya lang nakapantalon ako, wala akong abaya. Anong itatakip ko dyan? Ay. Ayan. Wow. Makapunta kaya doon? Punta kaya? Ay, lulubog din. Ay, lulubog. Tak. Ihi si Dugang. Abing buhangin, no? Kaya pag nag-alikabok, sunstorm. Kasi ayan nga, oh. Hinintay pa namin yung isang kotse ni Madam Iman. 6 kilometer pa daw. Kilometro ba? Tawag ba dyan? Eh, humihi. Nagtago. Sarap umihi talaga. Kahirapan pag babae ka. Hindi ka basta-basta makakaihi, mga katropapits. Eh kung lalaki ka, pwede ka nang jumupo na lang dyan. Ay, pumasirit sa tabi-tabi. Oh, grabe oh. Dastong aking paa oh. Hindi yan footprints. Shoes print yan. Pak. Daran, 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 daran. Daran, daran. Lumulubog ang ano, nako. Kailangan hindi kami mapapunta rin dahil baka lulubog din. Oh? Malambot to. Malambot ng buhangin. Mamaya, pag dumilim-dilim pa, iihi ako. Dumilim-dilim. Dumilim-dilim lang, iihi talaga ako. Hindi pa eh. Nagkakayap-kayap si Duga. Kayap-kayap si Duga. Yan na sila. Minom kasi ako ng tubig eh. Dun.
don't give a fuck who talk behind my back, cause the bitch knew better than to let me hear.
Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape. Hands on my knees, shaking ass on my thigh shape.
Fantastic. The action.
Yata, yan yung signal. Oy, murag laki, way klaro.